News 4, home of forewarned weather, rated Middle Tennessee's most accurate forecast.
Does humidity play a role in what happened on Monday?
Well, the more humidity there is, the more clouds form. I mean, that's what clouds are.
We don't want clouds.
Water in the air. So it won't be as muggy as today was, as tomorrow will be. So at least some good news. In today's mugginess, we have seen some showers and thunderstorms developing. We'll hope to not see these on Eclipse Day itself. There's tons of eclipse stuff in the forewarned weather blog that I'm about to publish just as soon as we hit the end of our newscast here. So look over there on forewarnedweather.wordpress.com. There'll be a link on my Facebook and Twitter accounts as well. Looking at these showers that are pretty hefty right now around Fairview, western Williamson County, down into northern Murray County, staying below severe limits, but some cloud around lightning strikes certainly, and some heavy downpours trying to make their way up into metro Nashville. Just some sprinkles here just to the south of downtown Nashville. This extends back into Hickman County, down into Murray County, down into Giles County now as well. A little downpour right around Pulaski, even heavier one moving towards Elkton, about to cross over I-65. Some more downpours in Stewart County, extending back into Henry County, and then northward into Trigg County, and some spotty stuff up into Robertson County and into southern Kentucky as well. Zoom back out and put everything into motion here, and you can see that this batch of heavier rain is trying to make its way into Nashville. The first one just kind of faded off the radar, so we'll see if the second one can actually hold together. Be flexible with any outdoor plans in metro Nashville over the next hour, maybe 90 minutes or so. Once we get past sunset, well, then these are going to fade off the radar for the most part. Let's check it out on Futurecast, and it shows that pattern. Once we get to about 10 o'clock, still some spotty, isolated showers possible at that point, but while we have that threat overnight, they're going to be pretty few and far between into the early hours of tomorrow. Our next decent chance of storms will take shape tomorrow afternoon. Looking outside right now, we're looking to the west, past the Channel 4 tower there, and looking towards those clouds, trying to billow up. The rain, though, is just off to the left of this image, so that's the direction things are moving in from if you're going to get any rain in your neighborhood, which is slightly less than a 50-50 chance if you wanted to pick any one particular spot on the map. It's plenty hot. 90 degrees right now in Nashville, 89 in Clarksville, 90 exactly in Murray and Franklin. Feels hotter. Even if you're in the mid-80s, it still feels like it's in the low 90s. 99 degrees, that current heat index in Nashville, 102 right now in Murray, Kentucky. So plenty of spots still at least flirting with triple-digit heat indices, and that'll be the case again tomorrow before that better chance of storms develops. Temperatures will climb to the upper 80s by noon, just above 90 for highs, but what it feels like will be in the upper 90s to around 100 degrees. There's a chance of a shower or storm in the morning, not as good a chance as we had this morning. Better chance tomorrow, should hold off until the mid-afternoon hours and continue into the evening. I'm hoping it's going to be off to the east and southeast of metro Nashville in time for Live on the Green tomorrow evening, but we'll keep an eye on that hour by hour. It's not a zero severe weather threat tomorrow, but it's far from off the charts. The greatest risk is going to be to the northwest of Nashville, where there's a marginal risk. Damaging winds, the main threat. We'll be on the lookout for some heavy downpours causing some localized flooding as well. But once that system moves through, we're largely going to dry out as we head into the weekend. This time of year, drying out still means there's at least a 20% chance of a pop-up shower or storm. That's the case Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Highs in the low 90s, but the humidity won't be quite as dreadful. And then there is that 20 to 30% chance for Eclipse Day on Monday. We'll have an update. I'll get some more data to look at between now and 10 o'clock. So tune in News 4 at 10 for an updated look at that eclipse forecast.